Low-key family, what's going on? Oh, I had a dry, no start. This is the problem right here. I already got my multimeter on continuity. So when you put these two together, that should make a noise. And this one ain't making no noise. You reading OL, open line. I'ma get back with y'all when I put it on. And you need a 1/4 to take it off, the back off. The part is located right there. So make sure you plug your wires back up the right way. Make sure y'all stuff is unplugged too before messing with the electricity. And I always check your freezer box. True part is on. Okay, we got action, y'all. Put the back on 1/4.